I started kind of taking stock of what's here and what kind of shape everything is in, and I'm freaking flabbergasted. I mean, the carpet's a little dirty, but it's all intact and in fairly good shape. A little freaking shampooing, and I think it'll look damn near brand new. The dash is in pretty good shape. Wood's, grain stuff is all intact. Nothing's kind of flaking out, all bendy and pushing out like they typically are. A little bit of cracking on the top of the dash here and there. But the seats, I mean, right here in the passenger seat, a little cigarette burn, and it's even like all carterized from the cigarette burn. But other than that little cigarette burn, the front seats are freaking immaculate. I think they will look, again, like brand new with a little cleaning shampoo. How about them apples? The headliner is in like freaking pretty good condition. A couple little scratches up there. Who knows what that's from? They almost look like heel scratches. I'll just leave it at that. Glass is all perfect. I mean, there's nothing wrong with either of the side or the back glass of the front windows. Gonna need a windshield for sure, but I wouldn't drive it myself crazy. Just looking around, and it's an automatic, so, and it's a 4-wheel drive, and so you would expect, I mean, on the Ranger, it's just a little bit older. There's a little push buttony thing right about here or over here somewhere that goes, put it into 4-wheel drive or low range. And there's 2 different buttons for it. So I'm looking freaking everywhere on this dash and down by the shifter bezel and all back over, everywhere, all around the steering wheel, trying to find these stupid controls. And I'm about to give up and just start asking somebody online, and I happen to look up. And right there, put it into 4-wheel drive and put it into low range. Right freaking there. But hey, somebody's already put a radio in it. See if it works when it puts power to the system at some point. But I was expecting to just grab this thing and start tearing it apart completely, because I thought that's what it needed, but it doesn't nearly need that. It just needs a little bit of clean and elbow grease put to it. But good old 1986 means we have ashtray, and the thing even said, look, it's for smoking. And passenger ashtrays on both sides. The rear seat looked to be just in good a shape as the fronts. And the rear carpet and everything. I mean, I can't believe how good a shape this truck is in. Kind of shaky, but there is a brand new complete, I think it's a whole dang seal kit actually. The other side's already been replaced. This one doesn't look like it's been done yet. It's already, it's got all this stuff going on here. The replacement I don't think would have been cracked that quickly. I think this truck has been sitting for 3 or 4 years since they've last messed with it, and I guess they just gave up on it. But yeah, freaking wow. On the body right here, we got a little bit of metal work and a couple little bubbles right here. That's not all the way through. We'll hit that with a good grinder. And we got some going through here. I don't know if I can just blast all that out and fill it in, or if we're gonna have to cut and patch. It's really simple stuff though. Either way. And then what, right here, right there, got a little bit, and that's it on this side of the body. I mean, the rest of it is freaking perfect, straight, not a ding, not a dent. And on this side, nothing. What is that? Oh, just paint. Just the little bubbles in the paint. And we'll dig into it. We're doing the body work on that door. And we got a little bit of flaking, and then there's some rust on that fender. Ew. I don't even think I caught that, dang it. I just like flaked off a big old chunk of it right there. It went like, I don't know, something like that. Alright, so a little bit there on that fender. But otherwise on the outside of the fender, it's freaking perfect. A little bit of surface rust on the hood, but otherwise it is straight. See the roof. I can see better with the camera than I can by just looking up in ostriches. So I'm not even gonna look at this footage. I'm just gonna edit it. This is up above my head. I can't really see it, so you'll see it at the same time I'm seeing it. Because I'm not gonna be able to really look at it until it's all processed and saved and then uploaded so that I can see it on the big TV when I just play it through YouTube. I can't imagine it's in too bad a shape. Maybe some surface rust here and there. And if any of y'all out there are body people and see something that I don't, because this fender has been replaced, it's got some dings and stuff here and there, but otherwise it's pretty decent. See anything on the rocker panel down at the bottom? Pretty clean. What's that? Something thick. I don't know what that was. Not bad. This one was just like I said, it was just thrown in on the deal for this. But I think this is the better portion of what I got. Holy crap! That thing is just holy crap. I guess it came with 2 grills, and this one was all cracked up. So I'm assuming that one was on it, and they got a replacement and hadn't put it on yet. With was it the valence damper or something that goes in between the top portion and the grill, and then another bottom valence there. I'm not sure if it's been done and swapped or if that one is supposed to go there. I'll see which one is in better shape, and that'll be the one that goes on there. We'll do it just like that. But there's supposed to be some other parts and pieces for this thing around. I have the front bumper for it in the back of Burrito. Well, man, that's well, that's the little Bronco too, as much as I know about it so far. Well, underneath here, let's see, let's get some underneathy video. We do got some rust going on down here, but it just seems to be on the drivetrain parts and mostly just surface rust on the frame. So I'll blast all that out and protect it and then undercoat it. Somebody has stuck a Flowmaster under this thing, little 2.9. It had a Flowmaster, like, not that it did any good. That big old hole in the exhaust tubing right there. So we're going to have to rectify that situation. Probably time for shocks all the way around, and bearings and seals, and brake lines don't look like they're too bad a shape. They did work. When I pressed the brake pedal, I have brakes. So that's good. Alright, well hey, that's the Bronco. We're gonna have to come up with names for the 2 new projects.